Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí kíláàsì orí afẹ́fẹ́ yìí. Orúkọ mi ni Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Adémọ́lá, ẹni tẹ́ ti mọ̀ bí ẹni mowó tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ni. Èmi náà ni olùkọ́ Yorùbá yín tẹ́ ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ bí ẹni mowó. Inú mi dùn láti wà níbí pẹ̀lú yín ní ọjọ́ tòní fún ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí. You're welcome to our online Yoruba class. I am Mr. Ademola Ogunshakin, your popular Yoruba teacher. Today, we shall be looking at a moral song. It is called Orin Akomoniwa. I am quite sure you still remember some of the songs we have learned so far this session. And you may want to ask me, what is a moral song? What do we mean by a moral song? A moral song is a type of song that teaches us to behave in a good manner. This type of song also tells us about the benefits of good behavior. The title of our song for today is Ọmọ tó mọ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú. Ọmọ tó mọ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú. Are you ready to sing the song with me? Are you sure that you are ready? If then, come on then. Ọmọ tó mọ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú o, ó ṣì yóò tọ́mọ náà pa. Màmá tó jìyà nítorí rẹ̀, bàbá jìyà pọ̀ nítorí rẹ̀. Ó ọmọ tó mọ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú o, ó ṣì yóò tọ́mọ náà pa. This song teaches us not to be rude to our parents. Any child that is rude to his or her parents will not do well in life. I hope you enjoy this class. You can listen to the song again so that you can master every word spoken. And of course, you don't want to be rude to his parents. So it's question time. Question time. Okay. What is Orin Akomoniwa? And why is it called Orin Akomoniwa? So another questions. Write the meaning of 5 words from the song in Yoruba and mention 2 things we can learn from the song. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.